Why does your scanner show the P0540 engine code? What does it mean? P0540 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air heater A circuit. The P0540 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM or ECM, has detected a voltage malfunction or feedback error in the system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: blown fuse or fusible link, defective heater relay, damaged wiring or corrosion, faulty heater element, bad temperature or feedback sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like GMC, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.